How to make iPhone show switched off or not reachable. Here's what you need to know. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Phone. If you're using an older version of iOS, you may see Phone directly in Settings. Next, tap Call Forwarding and turn it on. Tap Forward to, then enter another phone number where you want your incoming calls to be forwarded. If you forward calls to a number that is switched off, inactive, or unreachable, some carriers may play a message such as, "The number is switched off," or "not reachable." However, this behavior depends entirely on your mobile carrier and may vary by country or network. Once call forwarding is enabled, your iPhone will remain powered on, and you can still use mobile data, browse the internet, and make outgoing calls. Incoming calls will be redirected to the number you entered instead of ringing on your iPhone. To disable this feature, simply return to Settings page. Then tap on Phone, Call Forwarding, and turn it off. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.